When it comes to dosage calculations in nursing school, if you do not round your final answer well, you are getting a 0 for the question. Your teachers won't care if you did all the work, you put in the formulas right, or you did the dimensional analysis correctly. As long as that final answer is not rounded the way they want you to, you are getting a 0. So for this video, I'm going to teach you how to round as simple as possible. This is the first rule of rounding. Don't round anything until you get to your final answer. And here's what I mean. If you are given a question, let's just say you have 0.1234 divided by 0.367. Don't attempt to round those numbers until you are getting to your equals to sign. Till that final answer that you're supposed to submit, only round the final answer. The second rule of rounding is to avoid trailing zeros. I'm going to give you an example and include leading zeros. What I mean by trailing zeros is this. Take a quick look at this problem. When I say avoiding trailing zeros, I mean the zeros after your decimal point. If you see 0.50, take away the 0, okay? If we are taking away the trailing 0, we are going to have 0.5. This is because somebody can read this incorrectly, like they can read this as 0.50, okay? Instead, write just 0.5. Always avoid this 0. At least if we had a 1 here, that would have been okay. Or any number, that would have been okay. But if it only ends in 0, avoid that 0. Avoid this 0. That is a trailing 0. And for leading zeros, this is a leading 0. I said include leading zeros. So for this question, it will be 0.5. This is the leading 0. Imagine that we didn't have this leading 0. This could have been like 0.5, okay? And somebody can come and read this as 5. So always include your leading zeros and take away your trailing zeros. That's the second rule. And because I don't want this video to be too long, I'm definitely going to do a part 2. I will teach you how to do this dosage calculation as simple as possible. Comment part 2 if you are ready for that.